Hello, you are welcome to another lesson. God bless you. Okay, so someone made a request. You can see that on the screen that I should teach how to make use of grace notes on the key of F sharp. Okay, okay, so on the key of F sharp, we have this. I don't even know where to start from, but I'll just try to make this as simple as possible. Grace note is you basically slurring notes from a key to the actual key you want to play. Okay, so we can have this. We can have glory be to God. Okay, that's just a a simple way of making use of grace notes, inculcating grace notes into your play. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'll teach you how to do a grace note on the one, on the two, maybe three, four, five, six, just like the various scale degrees. Okay, so on the one, this is what you can do on the one. You do this, you do this slide. So you have this. It's a very common grace note that you hear all the pros do. So you have this. You have that on the one. Then on the second, this is something you can do. That's if you want to do a grace note, you're on the second last, that's on the chord 2. You can do something like this. Although the grace notes, I combined it with what is called the inner voicing, and this is me doing on the 2, but actually I'm doing the 5. So on the 2 you can do this. So do you get that? So on the 1, on the 2, this is the 2, or you have this. So for this I'm doing, so I'm making use of these 3 fingers, 4 fingers rather. On the 3 you can have this, the same thing you do on your 1, you can do that on your 3. You can have this slide. So that's 2 things combined together. Or then on the 4 you can have this. So you do this. Example, if you are doing this song, So on the 4 you can do this, and on the 5 you can have this. So I'm doing this. Okay. And you can do this inner voicing on the 5. Okay, it's more like you are playing this, but you are playing it with grace, with the grace note. You are slurring the notes. That's on the 5. On the 6 you can do this. That's on the 6. You can slur this. Like this is not the whole of the application of grace notes. Grace note rather. Come on, if you have not subscribed, you've got to subscribe so that you learn more lessons like this. Okay, so we have various applications of grace note even on this same key. So I'm just showing you the basic ones. Okay. So I have this. Depending, I can decide. Like I said, it depends on the actual note you want to play. So if I want to play this note, I can have it. Or I do this. Can you see it? And on the 7, you can still do this. Okay. And one thing, when you are doing your grace note, make sure you have a very good control of your pedal points. The way you make use of a sustained pedal, if you are making use of one, so that your note won't be washed away with the sustain of the notes with the help of the pedal. So and that's it. And then you can have something like this on your 1. Okay, you can have this on your 2. Okay, you can have this on your 3. You can have this. Okay. 5, you can have this. You can have this on the 5, on the 5th. On the 6th, you have this. Okay, or depending on the context of what you are playing. 6, you have this. 6, you have this. 7, you have this. And 1, you have this. So if you are doing this song, we give you glory, Lord, as we honor you. We give you glory, Lord, oh, as we honor you. You are wonderful. Can you see that? You are worthy, oh Lord. Can you say that? You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. Okay, so this is another thing, a grace. So you can just pick this up. So I'm doing this. You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. You are Okay, I hope you've gotten something from this lesson. These are just a basic way of, maybe not basic, but these are ways you can make use of the grace note on the key of F sharp. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. Go and hit the subscribe button. Hit on the notification bell. Give a thumbs up and comment what you've learned from this lesson. If this lesson has been of help to you, make a comment in the comment box. Do not skip to the next video before you do this. Okay, I'm gonna see you in the next lesson. Bye.